Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. You gonna shut that?
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Wait, talk.
Price check?
Okay, bye. What?
Okay, I want to buy this
Okay.
and this.
Okay. Look.
Thank you.
A hot egg.
Thank you. Thank you. Are you doing 1 plus?
The pot?
You do 1 plus 2 plus. Was that a 2? That's okay. Do plus, where's the 8? Can you find the 8? That's how old you are. Perfect. Plus. Now scan that last one. Right here. Nice. And how much does that cost?
There's
What's that one, a 5? Okay, how much do I owe?
new touch.
What's the number?
2.
It's a 1.
Money.
And what's the second number?
9.
9. Perfect. Okay,
Wait.
here you go. Here's my credit card.
Wait.
I'll do a price check.
Hello, are you ready?
Okay.
No.
It didn't go through? Okay.
Yep.
Okay, great. Thank you. Do I get change?
Yeah. I will 2.
2 and a 0. Perfect. You're so smart.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Enjoy your day. Do you want Daddy to do this with you?
We did it.